How to buy crypto in Trust Wallet. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can buy crypto in Trust Wallet, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to buy crypto in Trust Wallet, it's actually very simple. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the crypto application, which is the Trust Wallet application here. Then once you've done that, you're gonna see this type of interface where you just have to tap on the buy option that you would be able to find here, and once you tap the buy option you will see this type of interface. So all you have to do is select a cryptocurrency you want to buy. So if I want to buy Solana for $150, I'll get this much Solana, as you can see over here, or I can choose the amount of crypto that I want to buy, select credit card option and select buy with credit card button here. This way you can buy crypto in Trust Wallet. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.